Did you know the world's most wanted drug lord once built his own fake prison and convinced the government it was real? Pablo Escobar was facing death or capture, so he made an unbelievable deal with Colombia. He would surrender, but only to a prison he designed himself. The government said yes. Escobar built La Catedral on a mountaintop. It looked like a prison from the outside, but inside, luxury bedrooms, waterfalls, soccer fields, and a nightclub. His own men were the guards. He ran his empire from this fake jail. For over a year, Escobar lived like a king while the world thought he was locked up. But when the government discovered the truth, they came to transfer him to a real prison. Escobar was ready. He vanished into the night using decoy cars and escape tunnels. A network of safe houses swallowed him whole. The most wanted man on earth had disappeared again. For 400 days, thousands of agents hunted him. Escobar had turned his own surrender into the ultimate escape plan.